What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to integrate interstitial ads into into Android Studio. So if you are interested in making money off your apps, you can always make use of the Google Admob. If you're interested in monetizing your Android app, you can always make use of the Google Admob program. So I'm going to, if you have not watched my first video about AdMob, which is integrating banner ads into Android, kindly watch it, because this is going to be a continuation of that video. As you can see here, we have all of this which has been integrated initially when we are about to develop an application with banner ads. So this is going to be a continuation, and then we are going to be integrating interstitial ad into Android Studio. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So right here, I'm just going to continue, and then I'm going to click implement an interstitial ad. Okay, interstitial ad full ads, the cover, okay, blah 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 blah. We've done all of this. We've done all of this either by itself or part. Okay, so now let's continue. So we were asked to import interstitial ad and make it private. So we are going to do just that. We're going to do just that, and then we are going to be putting that in immediately after we declared the banner ad, which is this. And then we are going to import or to enter to import, and then we are going to be making use of the com.google.android gms ads interstitial. We are going to be making use of that, and as we can see here, we check the import and see it has been imported. The class has been imported. So let's continue, and then this has also been added when we are about creating our banner ads. So just continue by copying this and then pasting, then paste it in as a continuation. So now, here it says new interstitial ad this. Okay, let's okay. Let's see if the import class is correct. Okay, so obviously the imported class is not correct. As you can see, we have com Google Android GMS ads interstitial ad. If you don't have interstitial, then interstitial, so we remove it and then import this. And as you can see, the error is gone. Both has been perfected. Both errors has been perfected. We no longer have errors here. So this is always a test ID. I would advise you to always test any of your ads with the test ID as required by Google. So this is a test ID which you use to test your ads. Okay, it says this always test with test ads. Okay, so now it says interstitial set ad unit. Okay, So we have this. Do we have initial ad? So so we don't have this, so we are going to be making use of this as instructed here. So alright. So mobile dot initialize this setting its ID this. Okay. Now let's show the ad. So uh, I think I'm going to ignore the button and then just show if immediately there's an ad present. I think that's what I'll just do. So I'll just show unloaded. Unloaded. I think I'm going to ignore the button. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to ignore the button and then just display the ad when it is when the activity is loaded. As you can see here, so I'm going to import this enter. So all errors are gone, and then unloaded. That is the when there's an ad that has been loaded, it should display. So that's what I'm going to do here, and then I'll just select. Let me just copy if. So this is it. If interstitial is loaded, display interstitial ads. That is unloaded function or method. If the ad is loaded, it should show interstitial. Else, she gave me a logged error or a log message saying the interstitial wasn't loaded yet. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, you can also add listener to reload. That is, if add listener class on add close method is, so we can always reload it by doing this on add closed. So on add closed, we can make sure it reloads. It reloads another ad. So that will be on ads closed. So let's run the emulator now so we can launch. Let's run it so we can launch. I'm going to pause the video now so we can, then when it launches I'll resume the video. So clicked on run app and then started building the application. So we have an emulator loaded, so we are waiting for the build. As you can see, So it's gonna take a while to build. While we're waiting for the build, kindly subscribe to our channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and to our channel for you not to miss more earning videos. Feel free to also comment in the comment section below about anything you want to know or you would like us to tell you about. Do not hesitate to let us know and kindly give us a thumbs up so as to encourage us to build more tutorial videos and in videos like this, and then to increase your chances of making money online. Kindly subscribe to our channel and then turn up the notification button so you can receive notifications from us whenever we drop a new video. So thanks as you do that. Let's just while it's building, let's go through a recap. So this is the test ID. This is the test ID for the interstitial, as you can see here, and then it's going to load an interstitial ad immediately. This activity is loaded. That's the activity main is loaded. It's going to load an interstitial ads, which is going to display if any ad is available. That's go to execute when an ad finishes loading. So when an ad finishes loading or when an ad is available, it's going to show ad is this interstitial dot show. So it's going to display an ad. So that's what we are waiting for presently while it's building. And then on add field to load, this is the code you want to execute. When ad fails to load, let's say it fails to load, you might want to try again, or you might want to move to the next phase of your application. Or on ad open, when the ad is open, what code do you want to execute here? So on add click and many more. This is variety of listeners for the method um, interstitial ad. So this is the layout. Let us switch to the layout. So this is the layout. We still pretty much have a banner layout for the interstitial. We don't need any settings for the layout, or we don't need a layout code. Everything is taken care of in the Java class, which is the main activity in our scenario. So there it is. Then we made it private, so it is only accessible from here. It is only accessible from this class. So another class cannot have access to this class over here. Everything, all the functions, all the methods are only made accessible to this class over here because it is private. Okay, so no, it's taking time to build. Okay, maybe I should just pause the video, and when it's done building I will just resume the video. Let me just pause it. Okay, so that's finished the building, and then we are ready for launch. Okay, so that's launched. Let's wait for the ads to load. Still loading. Okay, so it's still loading. It should display the banner ads first and then probably show the interstitial. So let's wait for the banner ads. Yeah, there you go, and then the interstitial. Perfect. So here we can see that the interstitial ads has been loaded, and then the banner ad was loaded. So if we cancel this, you should see the banner ads. There it is. Then we still have an interstitial ads, which was loaded because we closed it, so it's going to reload as described here. It's going to reload as described here. When ad closed, it should reload. It should load another. Okay, so it should display another one. There you go. There, there you go. So thanks guys. That will be all for today on how to display interstitial ad and Android Studio. Thanks guys. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this, for more tutorials and for more tips and tricks on how to make money online. We have lots of videos which are going to be released in future, so you don't want to miss it. Kindly subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and then don't forget to comment down in the comment section below. Thank you and have a good one.